I35equipment.com. This is a Kobelco SK210LC-10 hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you if you'd like to bring them along to get a professional opinion. Looks, runs, and operates excellent. Does have the hydraulic thumb. Hydraulic thumb is fantastic for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading boulders, and all sorts of things. Essentially makes two machines out of one. This machine has a lot of power. You can see from the factory it has those weld-on side guards. They're real nice to have if you get too close to a tree or other structure. Rear view camera, cold working air conditioning, switchable control pattern, so no matter who's in the operator's seat, you feel right home with their pattern control choice. Also has dual travel speeds and includes the operators and maintenance manual. Check a hauling quote. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should be an issue at all. Call from our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. Do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up if you're so equipped. Our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good rated working equipment. We can help you get your machinery sold. This unit was recently serviced, has fresh oil and filters, no blow-by. Just a really clean unit. Dual travel speed, so if you need to get across the job site or the pasture, you can do so quite a bit quicker. Take a look around at everything, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and check out the interior. Nice big bucket with 5 teeth. Take a look inside this access panel. Super clean and excellent undercarriage. Trucks and such. Also a major motor supplier for equipment. Really clean and dry underneath here. Removable factory rubber floor mat, so you can take it out and clean it. And drop this. Close this door so we can get that cold air in here. Currently sitting at only 507, almost 507, 5 hours. Excellent. Working radio. Take a look behind the seat here. Grab that operator and maintenance manual. Really good shape. Appreciate taking time to watch. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.iThreeBackLoop.com. You have a wonderful day.